Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a cleaning video. It is bad. My house is horrible right now. I kind of neglected it for like 3 days. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. And let's get into it. So we're going to start out in the living room. And this is what it looks like. I have to take that back in my room, the heater, because it's getting warm out. We got trash everywhere. We got a new couch. More trash over here. I gotta put that somewhere. That used to be our desk. I'm gonna move it because we don't really use it, just collects clutter. But I'll show you the other angle. We're not gonna do the kids' room today. I don't feel like it. I'm gonna clean every room but the kids'. So I gotta do some dusting, and then we're gonna do a little bit of decorating for Easter. Hi. They talk to the dogs and they gotta act crazy. All right, hold on, move. So then the kitchen, it's not that bad. I just had to put that stuff away. I don't know why there's shorts on the counter. The cabinets, let's see. So I've painted them 3 times already and I don't like it, but I bought new paint. I don't know if I'll do that today in this video or I'll wait for another one. So I'm gonna paint that green wall in there in the living room. I'm gonna paint that. I kind of like it, but it doesn't really match anything I have anymore. Put dishes away. Hi, Phoebe. Let's see. I got a ton of laundry to do. Look at this. My room looks a mess. That's a mess. Everything's a mess right now. Then the bathroom. It's honestly not that bad. Them clothes up there are actually clean. I was just trying to see if I still wanted them. And I'm just going to do just a quick clean in here, but nothing. It should take 2. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab a bag and throw all this trash away.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind. And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Let's take it slow. Who cares? take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down, embrace the love we found. For you and I, we're safe and sound. the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down?